Jasmy is just about to rally, and in this video we are gonna be covering exactly that. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one we are gonna be taking a look at Jasmy once again, because I believe that a massive rally for Jasmy is coming and it will be here sooner than you guys might think. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new, because that will be really appreciated. Also, I'm trying to reach 5,000 subscribers as soon as possible. So, just help me reach my goal and I will really appreciate that. By the way, guys, anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the charts and the major possible move which I think Jasmy will be making in the shorter periods. If you want to make some serious money with crypto, my trade signal group is the best place for you to be. Right over here you can see the monthly recap for the month of April, and this includes all the profits which we had taken and which we had achieved in the month of April. Right over here you can see we took 12 trades in total and our average win percentage was really high at about 100%. In here you can see we secure profits of about 189%, 303%, 182%, 237%, and the list goes on and on. If you want to make similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys check out the link to my trade signal group. It will be down in the description, and sign up as soon as possible. So guys, right over here I have the charts loaded up for Jasmy, and for those of you who are new, I just want to repeat that I personally believe this price point right over here was the bear market low for Jasmy. Once this move was over, or say once we hit this level right over here at a price of about 0.0027, we started forming this massive Elliott wave move, which includes 5 waves towards the upside. So we pumped up in a wave number 1, we came down in a wave number 2, and right now we are currently in a wave 3 towards the upside. The most likely target for this wave 3 is located around a price of about 0.010. Now, if we calculate the amount of move which we need Jasmy to go in order to hit this price target, it's about a 120% move towards the upside, which I believe is fairly reasonable and really achievable for Jasmy, because this is a high risk altcoin and some days it drops by about 30 to 40%, while on others it pumps by about 50 to 100 or even 300-500%. Now guys, right now we are between these two resistance and support areas, and I have covered this previously on my channel as well. Now the most important resistance level to break for Jasmy is this blue line right over here at a price of about 0.0083. This was also the wave 1 high and this was the top at which we got to before. So the most important resistance level for Jasmy to break is located around this level. Now, I know a lot of people still believe that we are going to be dropping towards the downside, but I personally don't really believe so, and I believe that a lot of people are just waiting for another entry. They are waiting for lower prices, which if you are new to the crypto markets, I would personally not recommend to trade with those kinds of strategies as all, because as you can see, it only takes a matter of few days for these coins to pump, and it only takes a matter of few days for these coins to dump. Now the most important support area which you guys should be looking at is this blue line right over here at a price of about 0.0042. This was also the wave 2 bottom. So until we do not fall below this level, my long-term view for Jasmy still remains bullish, and my short-term view is also pretty much the same. Because I personally believe that because we did not drop below this level, this move towards the downside got invalidated, and right now we are still in this third wave and we should be reaching a target of about 0.010. Now guys, if I show you all the MACD indicators and the RSI indicators, they're showing us something really interesting. So the RSI indicator is slowly climbing. We are 38 on the RSI scale, which is still low, and we are still in a lot of pressure, or say selling pressure at this moment. But if you check out the MACD indicator right over here, you can see that the selling pressure is getting weaker and weaker every single day, and in due time we are going to be seeing that buying pressure coming in, and that is what is going to be delivering us those massive and huge gains towards the upside. By the way guys, if you are new to my channel, make sure guys check out my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the description. Now guys, in my trade signal group, I post my personal trade setups which have helped me to make some serious amounts of money in the past couple of months. Right over here you can see an example of a trade which we recently took. As you can see, I mentioned the type of position which we are taking, like a long position or a short position, the risk factor which we are basically using, the amount of leverage and the token which we are trading, the entry price where you guys should be taking the trade at, and the targets or see the take profit levels where you guys should be taking your profits at. Recently we closed two trades. Right over here you can see recently we secured profits of about 354% on just one single trade. Right over here you can see we secured profits of about 97% on just one single trade, which is actually really amazing. And let's say you started with about $100, you would have turned your $100 into $200 with this one trade alone, and then you would have taken your $200. And if you had taken this trade as well, which is the most recent one, you would have turned your $200 into about $5 to about $600, which is about a 10x on your money in just a matter of week, which I personally believe is really achievable within my trade signal group, and we have been able to achieve this time and again and again. So make sure guys join my trade signal group as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. As you can see, we have quite some members in here, and I'm planning to only get about 15 to about 25 members in my trade signal group. So right now you can see we have about 15 members. So I'm gonna be closing my trade signal group for the public really soon. So if you guys want to sign up, make sure guys sign up as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. And yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty much it. As always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Peace out.